Kuta. This is Kuta Beach. It is early morning. I'm going to Kuta Beach. So apparently this restaurant that we're at right now is like really recommended online, really famous. Let me get the name. It's called that Rat Nauli. So you can choose the food of it's like self. Well, you can choose the food and they will serve for you. You see, it's a traditional Indonesian food. I've never tried. I definitely can try it as long as it does not give me diarrhea. And it's very good, and it's only I think it's only 30.
Yeah.
Maybe around 30.
30.
Yeah.
20.
20 or 30. Wow, traditional Indonesian food. Good. Yeah. And also on that. Oh my god, this is the food I got. It's only 18, not even 18 rupee. Really cheap. So I got this bike for 400 rupee for 5 days. Pretty good deal. It's 125cc. I mean, look at the line. The line is scary. Wow. Well, the line was very long, so you don't want to get your gas, and then it takes half an hour to get your gas, you know. So from almost empty to full, it only costs like around 25 rupee, Wow, that's really cheap. That's like half price. That's my country, and much cheaper than Philippines. Gosh. This is the traffic. Oh my god. Sometimes really bad. Blue Lagoon Beach. This is the ocean side. Sea view Blue Lagoon. I arrived here, Blue Lagoon Beach, and the parking is really cheap. For a motorbike, it's only 2,000. That's like what, $4 NT. So here's the Blue Lagoon Beach. Take a look. There will be people on the way telling you, well, you should take a boat, spend money, because the diving site and the snorkeling spot will be quite far away and the current is strong. But look at where's the snorkeling spot. It is right there. Come on. 4 or 5 meters from the beach only. So don't be fooled to take a boat, okay? Because the snorkeling spot is just right in front of the beach. So yeah, I just rented a fin for 25,000 from this shop. It's just right in front of the beach. It's not too bad, the price, but it's a little bit expensive. Well, it's actually okay. So let's head up to the beach. It's right down here. Oh no, this is the spot where they're laying down. So this is a fairly small beach side. You can look at people just right in front of here. Snorkeling. So here's the beach, pretty clean. Oh my god, this juice is so good. It's a real mango juice. Very tasty. So anyway, down there underwater situation, condition, it's okay. It's quite nice. However, it's really lag. There's not much to see because the area they have corals is very small. But if you want to visit the beach and chill out, I definitely recommend. But I do not recommend. Like me, I spent 1.5 hours all the way to right here. I don't think it's worth it. The beach is quite nice.